How can the nature of acids and bases be determined using an online simulation? Acids and bases dissociate into ions in aqueous solutions, making them electrolytes that conduct electricity. Measuring conductivity helps determine the strength and nature of these substances based on ion concentration. Boiling point is a physical property that varies with pressure and purity but doesn't uniquely identify the acidic or basic nature. Density is a measure of mass per unit volume and is not a reliable indicator for distinguishing between acids and bases. Acids and bases are typically polar and do not dissolve well in nonpolar solvents like oil. What type of deposit does oxalic acid help to clean from quartz crystals? Oxalic acid acts as an effective cleaning agent for quartz because it is a reducing agent that can dissolve insoluble iron and manganese oxide stains. It reacts with these metal deposits to form water-soluble complexes that can be easily washed away without damaging the crystal. What type of compound uses the suffix OIC acid? In IUPAC nomenclature, the suffix OIC acid is used for compounds containing the carboxyl functional group -cu. For example, a 2-carbon chain with this group is named ethanoic acid. What is a monobasic acid? A monobasic acid is an acid that ionizes in an aqueous solution to release only one hydrogen ion, H+, per molecule. Common examples include hydrochloric acid, HCl, and nitric acid, HNO3, which have a single replaceable hydrogen atom. Acids that provide to replaceable hydrogen atoms are classified as dibasic acids, such as sulfuric acid. Bases are the substances that produce hydroxide ions, OH, in solution, not acids. Solubility is a physical property, and many monobasic acids are highly soluble in water. What color does blue litmus turn in the presence of an acid? Blue litmus paper is an indicator that turns red under acidic conditions, pH less than 7, due to a chemical reaction with hydrogen ions. This test is a fundamental qualitative method used in laboratories to identify the acidic nature of a substance. Long-chain carboxylic acids are a key component in the formation of which substance? Soaps are sodium or potassium salts of long-chain fatty acids, carboxylic acids, like stearic, palmitic, or oleic acid. They are produced through the process of saponification, where fats or oils react with an alkali. In what molar ratio are hydrochloric acid and nitric acid optimally prepared to form aqua regia? Aqua regia is a highly corrosive mixture formed by combining concentrated hydrochloric acid, HCl, and concentrated nitric acid, HNO3, in a 3:1 molar ratio. It is famous for its ability to dissolve noble metals like gold and platinum, which are otherwise unreactive. A:1 ratio does not provide the specific chemical environment required to produce the nascent chlorine needed for dissolving gold. A 1:3 ratio reverses the acids, resulting in a mixture that lacks the sufficient concentration of HCl to complex the metal ions. A 1:2 ratio is not the standard chemical formulation used for the effective dissolution of noble metals in laboratory settings. What is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid, known as the king of chemicals, has the molecular formula H2SO4 consisting of 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygen atoms. It is a strong mineral acid widely used in industrial processes and lead-acid batteries. HSO4 is the bisulfate ion, which carries a negative charge and is not a neutral stable acid molecule. HSO3 is the bisulfite ion, related to sulfurous acid rather than sulfuric acid. H3SO4 is not a standard chemical formula for any stable form of sulfuric acid. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.